green signal. They usually have yellow signals, but it's green this time. I don't know if you guys can see it that good, but it's green. There we go, and up down. Oh crap, this train stopped. Now I can't go use the porta potty. There's a porta potty down that road I need to use. Well, of course, it's on the other side. And I can't go under this train right here. There's a nasty oil. I could get killed going under there. Well, this train is blocking the crossing and I can't get across to use the porta potty. I have to use the porta potty. This train's blocking it and I can't go under there. There's a porta potty down my road. I mean, not my road. Down that road right there. But, you know, stuck on this side. I need to use the porta potty. Finally, the train's leaving. It's laying here in the grass. About to poop my pants. Just gonna pull across from the crossing to go use the porta potty so I don't miss the train that's down there. I have to use the porta potty. Come on, train, please. Let me use the porta potty. I'm literally about to explode. Finally, I forgot to hit record, but there's the Jeebo. Please, porta potty. Please, porta potty. Please be there, porta potty. Yes, the porta potty's down here. Yes. Yes. Finally. Yes. Made it back just in time.